Most property owners are completely confused about warranties and commercial roof replacement in Lake Worth, Texas. And that confusion costs them thousands when problems arise. Many contractors offer vague warranty promises that sound impressive but provide little actual protection when your roof fails. The biggest mistake property owners make is failing to understand the difference between product warranties and workmanship warranties. Product warranties cover material defects, while workmanship warranties protect against installation errors that cause leaks, premature failure, and costly repairs. Without proper warranty coverage, you're essentially gambling with your property's most expensive system. Smart property owners demand clear, comprehensive warranty protection that covers both materials and installation quality. Our elite installers follow strict manufacturer guidelines to ensure every commercial roof qualifies for maximum warranty coverage from trusted brands like Owens Corning and CertainTeed. You need warranties that actually protect your investment, not legal documents designed to avoid responsibility. Real warranty coverage means prompt responses when issues arise, not endless delays and excuses from contractors who disappear after payment. Our small company culture ensures direct access to ownership when warranty questions arise. Tarrant County commercial roofing property owners trust our commitment to honesty, integrity, and accountability in every warranty we provide. We stand behind our work with comprehensive protection that gives you peace of mind for years to come. Our A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau reflects our dedication to customer satisfaction and warranty fulfillment. Ready to protect your investment? Contact First Texas Roofing today for Lake Worth, Texas commercial roof replacement with warranties you can actually trust.